Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to add fonts to the Photoshop software. As you see here I have this font that we will use in the coming videos. Now we go to a website to get fonts from. It's called thefont.com. We have here so many fonts, we have categories to choose from, and when you find the font you like, all you have to do is to click download in the right here. I will download this font here to show you how to download and add fonts to the Photoshop software. For example, this font is called Freshman. I type it in the search box and I click download from here. I unzip the font. This is it. I copy the font and I go to run. Then I type fonts to go to the fonts folder in my computer and I paste the font right here. I already have this font in this folder, that is why I get this message. You won't be getting this message. Now I go to the Photoshop and I create a new page. It does not matter its settings, this is just to show you the font. I change the background to whatever color I like. I choose the black color. I select the text tool and I make the text in white because I have the background in black. I search for the font, it's called Freshman, here it is. And then I type the text. I need to adjust the text size and position. And here we are. This is the text and the font. So if you want any font, all you have to do is to go to thefont.com, search for it, and click download from the right. Then you add it to the software like I showed you. You add it to the fonts folder and you find it right here. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I will be seeing you in the next video.